At least 5 individuals were discovered deceased in a tent on Sunday morning in Wau's eastern bank in western Bahr El Ghazal state. It is believed they perished from asphyxiation after sleeping with a fire inside their tent. A report from Wau Teaching Hospital confirmed that the victims, an elderly man and woman, along with 3 children, succumbed to suffocation. Santino Deng, the son of the deceased woman, told Radio Tamazuj on Tuesday that the victims had sealed all the windows of the tent and lit a fire before sleeping, which likely caused their deaths. When we arrived in the morning and opened the tent, we found that there was insufficient oxygen inside. We notified the police, and the prosecutor arrived, and the police transported the bodies to the hospital, he explained. The doctor conducted a post-mortem and found no signs of physical assault. The doctor concluded that the cause of death was likely due to oxygen deprivation. Deng added, "My advice to those living in tents is to ensure there is adequate ventilation." When contacted, Western Bahr El Ghazal State Police Commissioner, Major General James Simon Yassi confirmed the incident and stated that an investigation is underway. On July 14th, there was an occurrence in the Eastern Bank where 5 people died from suffocation. They resided in a tent, so it was suspected that there was an issue with the tent, he said. The exact cause of death for these 5 individuals is still undetermined. We took the bodies to the hospital for examination by a doctor, who will provide definitive results and the cause of death. General Yassi added, "A police case has been opened at Eastern Bank Police Station. We conducted a joint investigation with the Criminal Investigations Department, CID, and are currently awaiting the post-mortem results from the hospital."